Here's how AI will retire you from your 9 to 5 and make you a shit ton of money. Let me show you how to use it so that you can make passive income and you can spend your life doing the things that you want to do rather than trading your time for dollars at a 9 to 5, doing things that you don't want to do. And if you had the chance, let's face it, you would probably quit. First, you want to pick one of these 3 niches: health, wealth, or relationships. So say you choose health. You're going to head over to clickbank.com. And then you're gonna pick a product like this custom diet plan. You're gonna go over to ChatGPT and you're gonna ask it to write something about a topic within that niche. You can ask it to write you something like this. After that, what you're gonna wanna do is copy and paste the script that it gives you. Now this is where it gets wild, so keep watching. After you copy and pasted the script, you're gonna come over to a site called movio.la. This site will literally create a video of a person talking at your video for free. Once you're done creating it, you're gonna post the videos onto TikTok or other social media platforms, directing people to buy the product that you chose to promote. Even just one of these a day is almost $5,000 a month, and that's all passive income. It's a pretty crazy easy way to make money if you ask me. But if you wanna learn about my favorite side hustle, then follow and check out the free training in my profile.